In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add multiple language audio tracks on the YouTube and how we can do this. So if you wanted to add multiple kind of language like this, I'll be demonstrating with an example. If you go to the page of Mr. Beast, and if you go over here in the settings, you can see there is an audio track. And if you click on this, you can see you can play this particular video in all these kind of language, in all kind of languages. And if you wanted to get into this, how we can set this up on your video. So this is what we have to do. First of all, go to the YouTube, and what you need to do is you have to click on the profile icon and go to the YouTube studio here. So here I have already get into the YouTube studio. Now once you get into this, what you need to do is you have to select the video that you wanted to make it. For example, I'll click on this. Now from here, once you click on this, you have to go to the languages here. So right now from here, once you get into the language, as you can see, these are some of the language by default which is already existing. And if I wanted to add any more languages, I have to click on add language. Now from here, I have to add the language over here. For example, if I wanted to add the Chinese, I'll click on this. Now once if I click on this, what you need to do is I have to go over here, click on the audio. Now we have to select the file. That means we need to add the file of a secondary audio which you just recorded, and make sure it should be a roughly almost similar to the size of your video. And once you add respective file, it will be visible here. And hereafter, the users can either play along with this, they can also play in the Chinese. So this is how we can do this. So every languages that is being set over here by default, I have made it. If you wanted to add it any more, you have to click on the add language and do this. And for some users, this option is not available. If that is the case, go to the settings. Now from here, once you get into this, you have to go to the channel, go to the advanced settings. Now if you scroll it down over here, make sure the automatic dubbing should be, you would put a check on this box called allow automatic dubbing. Manually review doubts before publishing. This should be turned on. And once you turn this on, you have to go back and you have to check. And this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.